With the stay-at-home orders set to expire in the coming days, what's next for parents?
We're not saying that everyone should return to work regardless of their circumstances.
Join us for another RJRGleaner Group virtual town hall this Thursday, May 28 at 8:30 p.m. as we discuss COVID-19 and parenting. Send your questions to 876-381-0072. We also want to know how you have been coping as a parent during the pandemic. That's a virtual town hall this Thursday, May 28 at 8:30 p.m. on TVJ, JNN, OneSpotMedia.com, The Gleaner Online, Radio Jamaica, Power 106 FM, and TVJ's YouTube channel. That's COVID-19 and parenting.